the field data edition will add the advanced select feature. So on the home tab, you have the advanced select over here to the far right. And what this allows you to do is select objects based on some criteria. So for example, you can see here that we can look at multiple data types or look at specific data types. So if I wanted to find all the CAD 3D polylines, maybe that were defined by a certain color, so equals, and let's say that I want to find everything that equals red. I could select that and apply that, and you can see that it picks up every 3D polyline and selects the 3D polylines that are defined with the color red. Or I might come in here and select the line string, and I want to pick up all the line strings on a specific layer. So even though I have a by layer select, what this will do is look for a certain object on that layer. So I'm looking for the line strings, and I want that layer to equal, let's say, the ROAD CTOP here. So I can click apply, and it only selects that information. So the advanced selects lets you select using a combination of data and or certain properties.